Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to turn off website access to the language list in Windows 10. This feature can enhance your privacy and prevent websites from accessing your language preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Open the Settings app by clicking on the gear icon, and then click or tap on the Privacy icon. Step 3. In the left-hand menu, click or tap on General. Step 4. On the right side, you will find an option labeled Let Websites Provide Locally Relevant Content by Accessing My Language List. Simply turn off this option. By following these simple steps, you have successfully learned how to turn off website access to the language list in Windows 10. This will help protect your privacy and prevent websites from accessing your language preferences. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.